All right, we're back here, and the Lady Stags find themselves in a very, very deep hole. They're down by 8 with Vargas serving. Service ace for Vargas.
And this is what we mentioned earlier. It's not just Vargas's service that they're having, difficulty receiving. It's been consistent.
Yeah,
Right,
everyone.
to serve.
Everyone and anyone from FEU. Vargas again a poor reception, this time from Salgado. Free ball almost.
Oh, that one didn't even touch Eulalio's hands. But still a point.
I think that same, play happened earlier. Giselle C setting it, crossing the net. See, everyone misses that ball except for Cruz.
Nami-miss time nga naman
Oh.
because there was no touch from Eulalio. But still, of course, a point for them.
Yun talaga, pag toss pa lang.
Kita mo na.
Kita mo na hinabol ng pag ganon. 18-9. Let's see if the Lady Stags can, they have another trick, their final trick up their sleeves for this match. Ooh! Well, Jeng Buli has other things in mind.
And of course, this rotation, I think, is a crucial one for the Lady Stags. They need to catch up. They need 8 points to at least tie it
That's
with
right.
FEU.
If they can score at least 4 straight and cut down that lead to 4 points, they have a good chance.
Yep. That's why they should actually maximize Jeng in front.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if they go back to Jeng. This time they go to Benito, to Agno.
Oh, but Salgado unable to get that one.
Rachel, the veteran, taking charge of this FEU attack. 19-10. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Asking for it is Jeng Buali, covered by Vargas. Rachel to Cruz. Dropped by Jeng. They go back to Buali. Vargas with a dig.
Ball! Ending that rally.
Kanina pa yan yung magsumbol. Walang pinipili eh. Basta umangat ang bola.
Talo!
Halo! Gano'n naman kasi dapat.
And kahit sa blocking, even, despite her height, she really goes after, each and every attacker on the other side.
Jeng Boli, that was just all grit and power.
At this point, they need each and every point that they can get. It's a 9-point lead by FEU.
2011. Magsumbol.
Just everywhere, Ian.
Yeah. And she is just so creative every time. That time she split the block, getting some help from the net. 10-point lead still for the Lady Tams.
Oh, set was too long for Jeng.
Ooh,
Poor setup.
dropping it is Jeng behind the triple block. Magsumbol again scoring.
3 in a row for Kathleen Magsumbol.
And this is a day that Kathleen Magsumbol will not forget ever.
Oh, getting a block. The block si Jeng Boli, scoring 3 consecutive points. Oh. Eulalio.
Gwyneth Eulalio hitting it into the net. Still a 10-point lead though for FEU, 22-12. And things aren't looking that great for the girls of Coach Roger.
Oh, but look at the elevation from Morada. Amazing leap from this lean girl. Look at this.
Boom.
Yung ulo. lagpas ng tape ng net. How explode. And what's nice, kasi if you look at the attackers here from FU, no, to si Moradan Magsumbol, very explosive yung
Yeah.
approach nila. Of course, what everybody is hoping for is for San Sebastian to hold on. What we don't want, siyempre, first appearance si Jen Goli and Salgado, and what, the supporters of the Lady Stags wouldn't like is to see them drop this game. But with the kind of performance we're seeing from FEU, Ian,
That's right.
no question about it. They really want to win
Match
this game.
point here for FEU. Rachel with a serve. Jane Bully scores off of the block.
This is going to be difficult, but not impossible because we've seen it
Yeah.
happen 24-13. Makakahabol, but
It's close to impossible.
yep, and it's a very big challenge for the Lady Stags.
Okay. It is the turn of Jing Bully to serve. They go to Vargas. That's the final point. And the season ends right here for the San Sebastian Lady Stags. First time ever in Shakey's V-League history that they are eliminated as early as this stage in the competitions. And
As we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play, giving FEU this win. Look at that, Kathleen Magsumbol, no fear in hitting the
Yeah.
attack.
what an exciting match that was. And again, congratulations to the FEU Lady Tamaraos. And Ivy Remulla is with our Shakey's best player of the match.
Thank you, Ian. It was a very, very exciting match. And of course, one player stood out and outshined them all. And I'm here with her now, Kat Magsumbol. She scored an amazing 20 points. Ian, that's 16 from attack, 3 from block, and 1 service ace. So, Kat, itong game na to very important kasi ito talaga yung mag-determine kung papasok kayo sa next round. Anong paghahanda ang ginawa ninyo para sa larong to?
Ayun po, nagbawas-bawas na din po kami kasi po twice po kami mag-train. Nagbawas po para po hindi masyadong pagod yung katawan namin. Lagi po kami na yung first six namin na depensa, block, tapos spiking, kailangan mo magtyaga. Kailangan mapasok tong round to para makapasok kami sa second round.
Kaya very well done. So nanalo kayo. Congratulations. And Shakey's has a gift for you. And you have a chance to greet lahat ng mga supporters ng FEU.
Sa family ko sa Tingloy, kay mama, kay ate, sa mga Tagaloguna, sa school ko dati, sa Tingloy National School. Yan po.
Okay, congratulations. Back to you, Ian and Ann.
All right, thank you, Ivy, and congratulations to Kathleen Magsumbol, the rest of the FEU squad. We'll be seeing more of them in the next round of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. And in behalf of Ann Remulla, Ivy Remulla, this has been Ian Laurel saying, keep it here for the hottest volleyball action you'll ever see in town, your Shakey's V-League.
Dumping it in. Excellent read on the defense.